Here we got this 2012 911 Carrera cab. Has PPF on it now. Not the best install, as you can see. There's a lot of like jagged cuts, exposed paint here, all here. Didn't take the emblem out. It's not hard to do. Just a lot of exposed areas. Just wasn't the best insulation at all. As you can see, none of the cuts are even. Exposed paint. Seam here. Even here, it's not the best. Horrible alignment. Look, I've never seen why it's seamed here. There. It's seamed in 3 places, so obviously whoever installed it, you know, was either lazy, fingers down there, or just rushing the job, obviously, right? So I'm gonna do a track pack. I'm gonna remove everything, fully prep the vehicle, and we'll have a video after to show you the difference. Stay tuned. Thank you.